Hello, my students. I hope that you have a good exam today. Okay, you need to write the date. Today is Friday. Today is 14th August 2020. Topic, we continue with helping hands, but we continue with the activity in your student book, okay? And performance, activity page 46, 47, points, ahí me falta una S, points A, B, C, D. Okay, continue. If you want, you can stop and copy the date of the performance and continue with the video. Okay, please open your book, page 46. And if you like, if you want, open your reader book, page 30 or 29. 29, yes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, you alone, solitos, van a contestar este taller. Claro que yo les voy a ayudar, con mucho gusto. Ok, start, empecemos. Open your book, page 46. Okay, point A. Mark, this is Mark. Chulito, Mark. The Badash, Janet wants. Remember, ¿se acuerdan? That Janet wants to win a Badash, but is about to help the animals, is about to help the people, is about to recycle, or helping hands to help the other. Okay, is your decision. Okay, number B, point B. Look at match. Mire y junte. Okay, match. Una. Look, number 1 is a bell. Number 2 is a vacuum. Number 3 is a dog. Below that you have a cat. This is the cat. The fire truck. Look, and the letters. And you please need to join the activity with the place or the object, okay, of the action. Recuerden qué pasó en cada una de cuando Janet quería ayudar. Recuerden que cómo se relacionan estos lugares. Okay, this activity you can, it's not necessary that you make that. And continue with that. Mark D, point D. Mark the people who signed Janet's form. ¿Quiénes de ellos fueron los que firmaron? The Uncle Bill, Cousin Joe, Mr. Jacobs. Who are? And look, this is label the people with their occupation. Okay, you're right. Aquí tenemos the jobs, los trabajos. And you only need to write the names. Escriben el nombre del trabajo according with the picture. Okay? You can open your reader book. Pueden abrir su cuaderno y copiar the name and the picture. Okay? And this is the activity for today, my student. This is a good activity. I like it. And it's very easy and you can do it. For this, you can open the reader book. Recuerden abrir su cuaderno, the reader book, su libro de lectura, para unirlo y escribir aquí el nombre del trabajo. Okay, this is the activity for today. Have a good weekend. Bye, my students. See you. Bye. Wait for me. I can do it that. Oh my God. Okay, bye, 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 bye. Bye.